Fire, Wingham Station, North Huron Fire, Wingham. Please respond to 231 Medill Drive at the Medill Secondary School for a general fire alarm. One hit. Key holders pending. That's 231 Medill Drive at the secondary school for a fire alarm. Time of first page is 13:16. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station, North Huron Fire, Wingham. Please respond at FE Medill Secondary School, 231 Medill Drive, Crossroads Victoria Street East and John Street East for a general fire alarm. One hit, key holders pending, no answer on site. That's at the secondary school, 231 Medill Drive. Just be advised we're getting an update from the alarm company. I will update you in a moment. 13:17, April 11th. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station, North Huron Fire, Wingham. This is a cancellation page. I repeat, a cancellation page. Previous call for 231 Medill Drive at the secondary school for a general fire alarm. Advised a student activated the pole station on scene, requesting cancellation. Again, Wingham Fire, you can stand down for 231 Medill Drive. It is a false alarm. Time of cancellation page is 13:18, April 11th.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Dispatch, car 3 acknowledges the cancellation page. I'm still going to have just a single unit respond, just for confirmation.
I copy car 3, acknowledging the cancellation. You'll have a single unit respond to confirm. 13:18:43.
Wingham Station, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3, this is Bravo.
Bravo, can you confirm with FE Medill on the confirmation cancellation, please?
Yeah, roger that. Myself and one firefighter are going to head up in the command unit.
Confirm that, thank you.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Bravo.
Bravo, go ahead.
You can show Bravo on scene. We'll be making contact, just to confirm.
Roger, Bravo, on scene, making contact to confirm false alarm. 13:22:27.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Bravo.
Bravo, go ahead.
Talking on-site staff, we have confirmed it is a false alarm. Just getting over the paperwork here. Won't be clearing.
Roger, Bravo, on-site staff confirmed false alarm. You're dealing with paperwork and then clearing at 13:24:02.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Bravo.
Bravo, go ahead.
You can show us clear the scene, and could you download this call, please?
Roger, Bravo, you're clear of scene at 13:27:27.